Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to move. So you can create new drawings. Okay, I will use the standard in millimeter. As example, we can draw rectangle and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to move these objects, you can go to the modify, click move bodies. Will be show for the default in X offset into 10 points. You also can set for Y offset like into 10 or Z offset into 20. Another option you also can change for the move option. You can click here. Like I will use the move along ray. So it's mean you can click like at this edge as the reference line. Now you can set for the offset like 20, and you can change for the direction by using this flip. And if you done, you can click apply to move the object. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to move.